Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome again in our Google Web Designer tutorial. So today we are going to make a various gallery effect for your Google Web Designer assignment. So we are going to see several concepts on how you can give a various effect to the gallery. Okay, so we are not going to see the previous works that we have done, but we are going to make a new one. So like usual, you just put a new blank file and go to the dimension 300 times 600. Okay, the animation mode is advanced. Click OK. Okay, so you are looking now the empty canvas. So we're going to see there is several gallery effect in Google Web Designer. If you want to see what is the various effect, you can see in the component. So you click the component and you see in gallery folder there is several transition that you can use to make your gallery more attractive in your advertising. So today we are going to see the 360 gallery and then the carousel gallery. Transition gallery is already explained in our previous meeting, and the swipeable gallery is almost the same with carousel gallery, while the gallery navigation is just only the image for a gallery, for swipe the gallery. Okay, so let's see. First thing is that we're going to make a text or a title for a gallery. So for me, I'm going to use camera TV production, since I want to put the image of camera. Okay, so you edit the font if you want to. I want to put some new font. I think I'm going to put this one. So if you want to add more font, go to the font and add fonts to document. Click which one do you want to add to your Google Web Designer, and then click OK. So you see it's now appear in your Google Web Designer. Adjust. I will put bold italic. Go to the middle section. Okay. Now I want to put this 360 gallery. So click the component and put the 360 gallery here. And then when you want to add an image, make sure you click the order first, the 360 gallery, and then click properties. Okay, you see in this section there is name and image, so you can rename the name. So for me it's camera TV, and then click the image icon. When you click image icon, it will appear like this one. So select image, add image. So if you already have your picture, you can choose image. So I already prepare the picture of camera TV production. So the important part of this 360 gallery effect is that you have to prepare all angle of the picture. So like what I've got here, I have all angle of the camera TV production angle. So we're going to choose all of them and click OK. Open and click OK. Okay, so now you can see that the camera is already in this 360 gallery. So if you want to see the image, you can click here again and you can see the image is already here. So if you want to order the image, you can use this button to order the image. I will show you the order of an image in the next page. Okay, so we're going to put the effect. So click right, add event, 360 gallery, choose image loaded, choose 360 gallery, choose rotate once, choose your name, and going forward and click OK. Okay, so we're going to see the preview how it's going to be like. So here we go. So you can see the camera, it's moving in a circle. Okay, so you can click autoplay if you want to click autoplay, so it will make the picture more smooth. See, so it's slower than previously when you click autoplay. Some of you may be wondering how if I want to make this kind of effect, but you don't have any or a perfect angle of your picture. The problem is that you won't have a smooth rotate gallery. I'll give you an example. So I already have a page 2 here, so I'll rename the page. So for page 2, I will have a hemjet sweat for COVID-19, for example. So I already put the effect here, and then you go to properties. Don't forget to click the effect, and you put image. So I have a several image, but not perfect angle for the hemjet sweat. So let me find it first. Okay, here we go. So I have a front angle, back angle, right and left angle. So I just click the angle that I want to put in my advertising. So open and click OK. So if you want to rename your picture, you can go to library, and then you can see here, this is from a image, so I can rename it, so it will make me easier to adjust the position. So this one is front, this one is left, and this one is back, and this one is right. Okay, so go back to the properties and go back to your image. So this one, so you can see you can arrange which the image order. So I want to it front first, then left, right, then left, then back, then right. Okay, so click OK. Okay, so click autoplay. And if you want to see the page 2, of course we have to make a next button first. Okay, so I'll just give this simple next, the simple button. Here we go. Don't forget to put the event of your next button, the tab area, add event, tab area, touch click, page deck, go to page 2, of course. Okay, so we're going to see the preview now. Okay, click. Here we go. So this is what you can see. So let me preview again. So you can see in this one, because you have in this first page, because you have a good picture in every angle of the camera TV production, you can see the rotation of the picture is going to be smooth rotation. But in the second page, when you see you don't have a good angle of your picture, you can see the rotation is going to smooth, so it can be smooth, and you can see it's like a picture that put one by one, not like a moving picture. Okay, so let me adjust the size so you can see better for this picture. Okay, let's see one more time the review. Okay, page 1 and page 2. Okay, so the key is that you have a good material or good picture for your advertising if you want to make this kind of gallery. Okay, now we are going to make a page 3 for more variation of the gallery. So I will just copy and paste the next button to the page 2. There you go. So adjust the position. Don't forget to put the tab area. Okay, so you have to make page 3 first. So you can make a tab area, go to the page 3. Okay, going back to page 2, add even, tab area, touch click, page deck, go to page deck, page 3. Okay, now if we already try the first picture variation, so we're going to make another picture variation. So go to page 3. Okay, so for now I want to make a maybe some more free concept of the picture. So let's see, learn fun at home. Okay, so we are going this one in page 3 we are going to make a carousel gallery. So click the carousel gallery. Okay, sorry, and then adjust the size. Okay, for this carousel gallery, it's also click the effect and goes to properties, goes to image and choose image. So for this one I want to choose several picture. Okay, this one. Okay, open, click OK. So you see, you can, in this one I want to start frame from 1. So if you want to autoplay, so you just click this autoplay. But if you want to include navigation, you click this one. So I want to include navigation, so I want to click the second adjustment. So you can also click the scaling of the picture. So I want to resize image to fit the box that I already put. Okay, here we go. So for this one I will also put the tap button, but it's going to be back button. Here we go. So we're going to change the text. Back. Okay, give your tap area again here. Oops, sorry. Okay, add even, tap area, touch click, page deck, go to page deck, go to page 2. Okay. Okay, so now let's see the preview. Okay, let's see the preview. Okay, here, page 1, page 2, and page 3. Okay, so when you put the carousel gallery, carousel image, so you can click, if you click the button of use navigation, so this kind of navigation will appear on your pages. So you just click and it will slide your image. Okay, so back to page 2. Okay, so that's for a carousel gallery. So if you don't want to put the thumbnail, then you just click autoplay. So the carousel gallery will play the slide of the picture automatically. Okay, let's see in the preview. Here we go. So it will slide automatically. Okay, so how you will arrange the transition, you can just click the number of transition here and which frame that you want to put. Okay, I just make the gallery name here. So start from page 1 or page 2. So just put include navigation. Okay, so for page 2, I will copy the button first. So we have a navigation for each of the page. Okay, don't forget to put the tab area instruction. Add even, tab area, touch click, page deck, go to page deck, page 1. Okay, so that's it for the effect of the gallery. So you can choose which kind of gallery effect that suit for your advertising. You can choose this one, you can choose this one, or you can choose this one. So just make sure that you have enough image so your gallery will be attractive in your advertising. Okay, thank you. That's it for now. We see you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.